2 firm white fish fillets. Add a half teaspoon salt. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes a half teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Evenly coat half of the spices onto one side of fish fillets. Flip on another side. Add the remaining spices. Coat it well and marinate for 30 minutes. Butter 1 tablespoon. Minced garlic 3 tablespoons. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the marinade fish fillets. On medium to high heat, cook each side just about 2 to 3 minutes. Note: not to overcook, as that will result in a tougher texture. Once done, remove from the heat. Ready to serve.